In today's video, I'm going to show you a 30-minute core and full body workout that will give you immediate results. This workout will help you tone your muscles, burn fat, and build stamina. It's perfect for beginners and advanced exercisers alike, and you can do it at home or anywhere you want. All you need is a mat, a pair of dumbbells, and a bottle of water. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. This workout consists of 5 circuits, each with 4 exercises. You will do each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest. You will repeat each circuit twice, with a 1-minute break in between. This will take you 30 minutes in total, but trust me, it will fly by. You will work your core, your upper body, your lower body, and your cardio, and you will feel amazing afterwards. Here are the exercises for each circuit. Circuit 1. Core. 1. Crunches. 2. Plank. 3. Bicycle crunches. 4. Side plank. Circuit 2. Upper body. 1. Push-ups. 2. Dumbbell rows. 3. Dumbbell chest press. 4. Dumbbell shoulder press. Circuit 3. Lower body. 1. Squats. 2. Lunges. 3. Deadlifts. 4. Glute bridges. Circuit 4. Cardio. 1. Jumping jacks. 2. Burpees. 3. Mountain climbers. 4. High knees. Circuit 5. Full body. 2. Renegade rows. 4. Dumbbell snatches. That's it. You have completed the 30-minute core and full body workout. You should be proud of yourself for finishing this challenging and effective workout. You have worked your core, your upper body, your lower body, and your cardio, and you have burned a lot of calories and fat. You have also improved your fitness, health, and well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this workout, and what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.